In today's video, I'll show you how to get started with Slack in just a few minutes. Slack is a powerful tool for team communication, keeping all your messages, files, and tools in one place. Whether you're working with a small team or managing a large organization, Slack helps everyone stay connected. Start by visiting the Slack website and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, you can sign up using your company email, Google account, or Apple ID. Once logged in, click Create a Workspace if you're starting fresh. This workspace will serve as your team's hub for all conversations and channels. Next, name your workspace and click Next. Personalize your profile with your name and profile photo so colleagues can recognize you. You can also invite team members by entering their emails. Or skip this and add them later. Select Start with the free version to explore Slack without any cost. Once inside, click your profile photo in the lower left corner and go to Preferences. Here you can customize notifications, themes, and other settings to fit your workflow. Now you're ready to use Slack efficiently. Create channels for topics or projects, chat directly with teammates, and integrate your favorite tools. Slack makes collaboration simple, whether your team is in the office or working remotely. And that's it. You're ready to start using Slack to streamline communication and stay organized. Happy Slacking!